Okay, James, what's the name of this public square? It's supposed to be very haunted. Oh, they are beautiful horses. Tucker and Timber. Look at Hudson looking at them. Bring Hudson here. It says, famous cookies since 1924. Oh, thank you, thank you. Doggy cookie, not, they have people cookies, but look at Hudson's getting a free doggy. He'll give paw. Make him give you paw. Oh. Wow, Savannah, Georgia, guys. So amazing. Hudson's like, I'm not thirsty, but I will take a, oh, look at how cute. Look at the chandelier. He was the co-founder of Capitol Records. That's like Karla, always carrying bags around. No, because that's what it was all about back in the day. Oh, look at the old staircase. Wow. So they converted this into a bistro. Oh, look how beautiful these look, James.
Yep,
Jasmine mint.
Yep.
Oddities. Oh, it smells beautiful. Guys, I'm loving Savannah. Oh, look at this doggo. Oh, a little Pekingese, I believe. This might be a haunted spot. Tomo Chi-Chi's grave. So comfortable here that he's just like, oh yeah, I'm liking Savannah. Oh my God, I've never seen such a beauty street. This is Oglethorpe Avenue. This is the street that we're staying at. Oh my God. Just want to show the beautiful architecture.
Oh.
Who is here? Who is here, guys?
Here it comes. Nice.
Oh, yeah, you know we're gonna take a photo.
Oh, it looks delicious.
As you should.
Oh my God, look at Hudson's getting very close. Almost too close.
Yeah, guys, Karla's going in.
Look guys, I want to show you. There's like a mustard sauce on here.
Yeah.
Style.
Yeah. Going in. Oh man, that looks great.
Oh my God, look at this booksellers. Oh, I must take a photo.
Yeah, we have to check this out.
Founder. Wow. Oh, we gotta photograph this just for fun, James. The birthplace of Girl Scouting, March 12th, 1912. Oh, look how picturesque, how beautiful. Oh my God, look at this one. Oh, now this is stunning. Wow. Look underneath. Look at that. Look at the ironwork, guys. Oh my God, guys, this is stunning. The fountain looks gorgeous. The Spanish moss. The decorations for Christmas, James. Neon crown. We saw that late last night. Isn't that awesome? And they made it into a hotel. This is so cool. Look at these instruments. Because educating young people in the performance and business of music has long been a central initiative of the Gretsch family and company. Features a floral stencil pattern on its horn. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Look, she looks like she's going to take flight.
God. Yeah.
Oh, man. at these rooms.
Yeah, crazy.
Oh my God, look at the smokestacks.
Yeah.
Look at that, the beauty of Plant Riverside. Oh, that's a gorgeous, that's a gorgeous. Wait, we'll have to fix his neckerchief so everyone can see. He's 10 and a half years old.
Yeah.
He's very handsome.
Forever
He's
puppy.
Oh, James, come here. Oh, wow. I can smell he's working on them.
Nice.
Wow. It does. 10 years, yes.
Forever puppy.
Look at how pretty that looks, guys.
Yeah.
Look at that with the historic building above it.
Yeah.
What are they making? Oh my God, guys. Okay. Thank you. Oh my God, guys, I'm gonna try this. Oh wow, it smells so good in here. Look at that big copper pot. Oh, he's stirring it. So the taffy making machine, oh my God, I have to get a photo of this too. This taffy machine.
The Hudson's trying to get in their bags, yeah. He's trying to get in their
Just had a
bags.
great- Your truck is dope. Guys, look at that. Press your own penny into a souvenir design. Look at these old-timey things. Place pennies and quarters and slots and push. And then look, Zoltar. Look at the Hudster. Oh, I hear a guy playing a saxophone. And look at this chart house. That's gorgeous. Dockside seafood. Wow. Look at the stairs. Wow, these are steep stairs, guys. Dare to use the historic steps. Absolutely.
Stairs.
Yes, stairs it is. Okay, here we go. James,
Yep.
there goes Hudson.
Oh man.
Oh my God, they're
an awkward
steep.
height, yeah.
Wow, and look at them. They're pebbles.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hey, look at
Oh, I'm so glad we came this way.
Yeah, look at this.
Wow.
It's like old train track. Here's the old Risk. Wow, look at her go.
Wow, they're tall steps.
There goes Hudster. All right, I'm coming up.
Oh, it's steep.
Yeah.
People have died on this thing.
I know,
People
it's
do? They
crazy.
die?
Yes, people have died on this. We should remember this.
Is this a haunted spot then? Oh my God.